fourth grade friends. So today we are going to be making the trees for our awesome winter landscapes. So last week we practiced some snowflakes that we will be drawing in our backgrounds whenever we work on those. Now, hopefully you had a chance to get some of these super cool paint cards. If you did not, you can just use either some colored construction paper. You could use some blank paper and add color to it using markers or paint or crayons. That's totally up to you. So ideally you have some of these paint cards ready to go. So I am going to share the video with you on how we do these in class, but just try to do it your best from home. And then when we come back together, please make sure to bring those trees with you. So next time you're at school, just put them in a baggie from home, put it in your backpack, and then when you're at school, you can tuck those in your desk and bring them to art on your art day. So making our tree.
These are going to become the trees in the picture of your winter landscape. Please choose about 10 to 12 of these paint cards to use for your trees. Once you've chosen your 10 to 12 paint cards, you're going to flip to the back side and draw some different triangles. You can draw some that are more narrow and taller, some that are shorter and wider. Have a little bit of variety with the sizes and the widths and lengths of your triangles. These triangle shapes will represent the trees in your landscape. Once you have all of your triangles drawn on the back of your 10 to 12 cards, go ahead and cut these out so that they are ready to be glued down. After you have all of your triangles cut out, you are going to take a vertical line down the center of each of your triangles, and then you're going to make some diagonal lines that go upwards on either side to make it look like the middle of the tree and the little branches that go off of the tree trunk.